Well, the time has come to share this nice, cool video with you. So we spent about 3 days on this car, getting it to look as immaculate as it does. And let me tell you a little bit about our process. Yes, it has been ceramic coated, but getting to that point, it came in with some swirls and scratches. I believe the previous owner took advantage of those automatic car washes, which really aren't a great idea if you want to avoid those swirls and scratches in it. You can really see them in under high beam lights or direct sunlight. So we spent several days getting those off, and obviously pulled the wheels off as well. I'll pull those in so you can kind of see that a little bit better. Those are nice and coated. Now this gloss is quite exceptional with this coating. Not too many of them out there like that offer this kind of gloss. Backed by a 25-year warranty. Yes, you heard that right, 25 years. It's a permanent bond. It's not going to come off of there. We're talking about sheeting effect, water bead sheeting effect, defecting bugs, chemical resistance, scratch resistance. This coating is actually self-healing, so if it gets a micro scratch in it, it's going to warm back up, absorb the scratch, and seal right back over it again. Boy, what a beautiful car. So I'm going to walk around and let you see the whole vehicle. Let me change my video here. Wow, look at that. Every vehicle deserves to look this good on the road. You know, we always say clean cars drive better, and it's true, they do. Look at that. At least they make us feel better. Wow. Get tickled pink every time I look at it. So if we can do anything for you, just look us up here, social media. Give us a call, Dr. Auto Spa. We've got a website. Be happy to help you. Doesn't cost anything to get a quote on your vehicle, and we'll get you taken care of. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you have an awesome day. See you soon.